In this lesson, we're going to take a look at image adjustments in Photoshop. Adjustments meaning fixing problems with pictures, enhancing pictures, or just making something unusual and different starting with an image. So let's take a look at some examples. This is one picture, a very nice amphitheater. The buildings in the back are kind of not giving the nice mood. So look what we could do with a sepia effect, or adjustment technically. So the picture looks a lot more interesting and it has this nice subtle retro tone. Another example. Here is paint, right? A bunch of little paint, a paint palette. I forgot what they call this one. And it's a little bit pale, although it's supposed to be very colorful and vibrant, looking like childhood. So now let's look at this. Of course, I exaggerated here with the saturation, very strong, but sometimes you want something crazy and catchy like that. This picture, no problems with it, very nice, perfect lighting, very subtle, but you could make something a little more, maybe wedding card or wedding bag, or I don't know, it's not really wedding, but something more subtle starting with that image. All right, last example is here we have a picture with some problems. It has this orange reddish cast and the lighting is kind of messed up because they're probably in, the lights are dim in the stage they're looking at. So if I wanted to adjust it, it may look something like this. Yes, that one has a little more character and mood, but here you could see things a lot more realistic and clear. So image adjustments, which by the way are in the image menu. Under adjustments, you see many of them right here. I say many because sometimes you could use filters to do a little more, but basically image adjustments is what we will cover in this lesson. So looking forward to seeing you there soon.